Right, welcome back. I'm not sure whether this is going to end up as a shortish one or a full weekly release, but we just need to finish off a couple of bits and bobs on this, on the Building Your Turbo bike. Left hand side, so I need to do it as if I'm tightening it up, so they shouldn't be tight. I can just put them in. I ought to sell these. I really don't need 3 sets of these, and the other 2 are carbon anyway, so that should be a right hand thread that way, but we'll keep hold of them anyway. It's always good if somebody turns up and they've got the wrong pedals on. I could do with picking up a set of Lukes, actually. Lukes for the draw. Right, so this is, I don't know if I said on the other video, this is going to be a turbo bike that my wife is going to use, or other people can use, because it's got quite a decent height range on it. It will go down, the saddle will go right the way down, so I can get it right the way down for my missus to use. Of course there's nope, that'll be the wrong one. Could do with a bit of grease on there, to be honest. I know there's probably some still in there, but let's better safe than sorry, as they say, and get the remember what it is I hate about caged pedals. The flipping straps get in the way of everything. Yep, that's one done. I remember how to do these up now. I can't remember how these go. Oh. Do you know what? I wish there was a red light on the front of there so you could see what it was doing. Right. See, I thought they just went up and over, and then that bit down. So over like that. Yeah. I think that's how they go. Yep. You pulled them down, that was it. So you pulled them down and then you release that and it let it go. Yay, nay, no. No, that's not how it goes. No fitting instructions for the buckles. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it, you pulled them up. And they won't go down until you did that. That's it, yes. And you could always tuck them in there if you wanted to. Yeah, pull them up, tuck them in. Right. So I'll just tidy them up. Same with you. Pull them up, tuck them inside. That one on right anyway. God, that was a faff, wasn't it? I'm just going to stick this one in. And we do it from around here without putting my arm in the... That's it. Pedals sorted. Just got to find the saddle now. Oh no, we put the saddle on, didn't we? So the saddle's on. That wants levelling though. That's not very level. These feel like they want a bit of grease on them. Yeah, they're a bit crusty. Get a bit of grease on them. The other side's not so bad actually. Right, same problem with these. You've got to work out what happens when you tighten it up, because you adjust it and then as soon as you tighten it up it completely pulls in a different direction, which is not the most helpful thing in the world. Actually, that's not a million miles away. Once you get it level, then you're fine. All you've got to do is slacken it off a bit so you can knock it forwards and backwards. So that's almost what it wants to be. I much prefer the ones that adjust forwards and backwards than these. I think we're good. Right, just got the bar tape to do now, and check that these are, yeah, I think that's straight. They're about where they want to be, maybe a little bit flatter. Don't know if I can do that on this. No, I think they'll be fine there. We need to put some tape on. And I've got filthy hands. So those of you who are regulars to the channel know that this is my favourite job. My laces are undone as well. This is up there with tubeless tyres. And the reason I hate it is because I am a bit of a perfectionist. Oh, they're a bit snazzy. Look at them. Right, need a decent pair of scissors. I need some electrician's tape. Which we have got. Yeah, always wind towards the middle. So you start there and you come over, 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 over. Even if I can't find the end on the tape. Come on. Now that's helpful. So if I wind that to the middle, we're going to cover that over. Right, so I think we need to start it somewhere about there. When we stretch it, pull it all the way round, that's going to end up somewhere under there, so maybe a bit further back, about there, and then it'll be in completely the wrong place. So again, you just need to make sure you get it on the edge of your electrician's tape. This stuff's quite stretchy. It's probably more stretchy than, there's a lot of rubber in it. Well, that was rubbish. I should have put it where I was going to put it. And the problem is with this stuff is the sticky comes off very easily. But I don't need to stretch it a great deal. You know, that's probably about the neatest bar tape job I've done ever. So we already know where to start it now. Start it under there somewhere. Get a decent amount of stretch on it. Make sure you keep it on the edge of what we've got already. And perfect underneath. Get that. Carbon bars on a turbo bike. Right. Might as well test it while we're at it. Oh god, this does spin well. We don't like the noise that bearing's making. Like a flipping helicopter. Yeah, I think it is the bearing in the big wheel that's going on that. So we might have another lockdown video coming soon. Yeah, so I think it's actually the big flywheel, the bearing's probably gone on that. Or it's just not, it just hasn't been used enough. Because these are normally really, really quiet. But anyway, that's it, the final. The turbo bike's done. Oh, not quite. Wait, put the knobbly bobbly bit in. Tried to give a little bit more with these because that one was quite finicky going in. Boom, back. The shoes are arrived. The wife's just come home from back bothering. So it looks like we can do a bike fit for her now. She won't let me do her on telly, so that's it. Bike's done. I'm quite pleased with that. Tape looks okay. That was some leftover tape that Jerry donated to us. Probably not got the space in the same on there, but the markings weren't very. It's not bad. It'll do. Don't really care. It's an indoor bike. It's only there to give you something comfy to hold on to. That's actually quite a nice grip to say it's that Prime stuff. I can't remember what I found out about Prime, whether it was an Evans special brand. But anyway, gears go up and down okay. Turbo makes a noise. Mrs. has fetched her martial arts shoes because they work in them apparently, because that's what one of my athletes uses, shoes similar to that. So right, let's crack on. We'll switch this around, get her plugged into the turbo, get the power pack plugged in, and then we'll send her on away on the turbo. You won't get to see that, but anyway, like and subscribe. Part 2 of the build a turbo bike, actually on a turbo. That's the turbo, in case you didn't know. So all the people that tuned in thinking it was going to be something slapped on the exhaust manifold of a big V8, sorry to disappoint you. That's a turbo. Like and subscribe. Job's a good one.